The featured images of our products are one of the most important aspects that our potential customers look at when they visit our store. In fact, we can categorically state that if your products have low quality images or are not eye-catching, customers will not be encouraged to buy your products. Therefore, you should consider updating them as soon as possible. However, we know how tedious it can be to change the featured images of thousands of products, as we have to edit them individually, opening the products one by one. To make this and many more tasks easier, we have created the Easy Digital Download Spreadsheet plugin. It displays all your Easy Digital Downloads products in a beautiful spreadsheet that is really easy to use. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Once you have installed and activated the plugin, you'll see a spreadsheet with all our products and their complete information. To change products' featured images, you just need to go to the featured image columns and change the images. You can either paste a URL or upload the image. This option helps you save lots of hours because you're just editing cells instead of opening, editing, and saving changes for your products individually in the Easy Digital Download Products Editor. After you've changed all the images you need, don't forget to save the updates. Now let's see how we can add the same featured image at once. To do this, we'll open the bulk editing tool. Once the tool is open, select the option that fits the rows you want to edit. In this case, we'll select this option to show you how the search tool works. Now you'll see that you can search for your products by keyword, author, categories, tags, and you can even enable the advanced filters to have more search options. In this case, we'll search for all products whose author is Matthew Nelson. So we'll enter his name here and run the search. When the products have been filtered, we'll be redirected back to the bulk editing tool to continue editing. Now select to edit the featured image field. Pick the set value option here. Here you can either upload the file or paste the file URL. Finally, execute the changes. As you can see, all our featured images were successfully changed. Definitely, using the Easy Digital Download Spreadsheet plugin will help you save a lot of time and will simplify the tasks to manage Easy Digital Download products. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.